equals your Chust-Conga 4690 makes a dodgy noise. We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. The noise could be due to dirt or blockages inside the machine, which can hinder performance and create unusual sounds. We will clean it out and ensure everything functions smoothly again. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.